So I just got back from urgent care. This is day maybe 8 if I add it all up consecutively. DIY roof racks, they're not easy. And as much as I thought that I had this master plan, I had a few setbacks. So I will get right into it. Remember when I pre-drilled all those holes on my roof? Well, I made a template that butted up to the first rib as a guide. And yeah, that wasn't exactly straight. By the time I got to the rear, I was just completely off. And after exhausting all possible options, I decided on taller brackets. And I went to Des Moines Steel. It was pretty easy. I said, hey, like I'm looking for aluminum angle 4-inch. They sold it by 3 feet, 50 bucks. So that was nice. I didn't have to wait around for another Amazon purchase or wonder if the aluminum grade was high quality or not. So this time I was going to attach the extrusion to one of the center brackets and then guide it across and mark where that extrusion was going to be at each point before I drilled more holes. Now, this project definitely humbled me. And that's okay, because I'm here to do everything wrong so you can do it right. Yep. Now, all I have to do is trim off the top of these so it's nice and flush, and then I'll just repaint these ones black. So yeah, this is it so far. Super strong. I hope to catch you guys on the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.